Hey guys, I'm back and it is time for my May Stitch Fix unboxing. So before we dive on in, if you're unaware, Stitch Fix is a monthly curated clothing subscription service. So basically you fill out a profile about what you like, what you don't like, what your sizes are, what your kind of concerns are. So for example, I don't really like my belly, so my stylist gives me stuff that doesn't highlight my belly. And then, oh, did I mention, you get paired up with a stylist and they select 5 items for you every month, which they send to you. And if you don't like anything, then you get a prepaid mailer to also send it back. So that's pretty cool. Something else I've been very excited about that Stitch Fix has just started offering within the last month or two is where your stylist actually sends you a preview of your box, and you can decide whether or not, if you like the items in your preview, you can kind of change it up. Or if you hate everything, you can be like, try again, and then you get completely surprised. So for this one, I believe I picked 2 or 3 of the items my stylist initially offered me, and then the rest are going to be surprises. And editing me will hopefully have inserted the pictures of what my preview looks like in case you're curious. I did have a specific goal for this box. So next month, my grandparents will be celebrating their 65th wedding anniversary. And I wanted something kind of cool, like not just like popping, this is like a pop and collar motion, I guess. But you know, something that would keep me cool, more specifically because I will be in Arizona for this event. And you know, at least in Arizona, it's a dry heat, and like here in Texas, where it's a very humid heat. In fact, my hair is just already given up. It was curly, and then the humidity got to it from inside the house. It came from inside the house. Comment below if you understand that reference. Anyways, so I was asking for items that would be good for not only hot summer, June, Arizona weather, but also maybe something a little bit on the nicer side because we will be having dinner all together with my very large extended family now that we're all vaxxed and ready for snacks. Anyways, let's dive on in and see what my stylist sent me. So here is that prepaid mailer. For anything I don't like, I can send back. This is just something from Stitch Fix. So if you download the app, which I recommend if you do have Stitch Fix, it makes your life a lot easier. They're trying to promote shopping from the app more on top of your monthly fixes. I personally try to avoid it because I don't need to spend more money on Stitch Fix. So this is the invoice. I like to look at that last. And then this is the note from my stylist with the 5 items she picked out for me and how she suggests on styling everything. So let's go ahead and look at this card. Okay. This is what the card looks like, and let's go ahead and read what she has to say. Hi Amanda, Holly here again, and excited to work with you on this fix. I'm happy to see you selected 2 items for your fix and left some feedback as well. The red dress will be great for your trip to wear casually or dressed up, and thought the sandals would be a fantastic addition for adventuring and hiking around the hot. I think she meant to say desert, but she spelled dessert. I ain't mad. I will also be eating a lot of dessert. I threw in a pair of pale yellow performance shorts and the sleeveless black tank top. Very cute, but very practical for the hot weather. I also added an adorable orange skirt to wear with a white tee. I recommend a pair of white canvas sneakers to finish this whole outfit. I do hope you enjoy some items, but I really can't... Another typo. I'm guessing this meant to say wait. Wait to read your feedback to see if there are other looks you really want to try. Any other items you need for this warm weather? Let me know your thoughts. All the very best, Holly. Okay, 2 typos in a note. Holly's struggling a little bit on this one, but it's okay. You know, NBD. So let's go ahead and look at, okay, so it's kind of a skinny bundle, but that's because there's also some shoes. So we'll start with the bundle and we'll end with the shoes. So as you guys may or may not be aware, if you watch my videos, I'm a sucker for spring dresses. I'm also a sucker for floral print. So I'm also a sucker for red floral. Anyway, this hits all of the marks. So far I'm liking it. It does have a very light feel. I do think it's made out of polyester, which it might have been a little nicer if it was made out of cotton, but I ain't too mad. There is a really cute kind of keyhole back design without revealing too much. And I really like this kind of ruffled sleeve detail. So overall, I'm very eager to try this on. This is, I think, a skirt in kind of like a burnt orangey color. So it looks like this is the front and then the back is elastic. And then I love polka dots. I love this color. I like that it's cotton. I don't have a whole lot of skirts in my collection, so this has a very good chance of being a keeper. This, what is this? You are black, you are ribbed, you are the top. Okay, you are the sleeveless tank. I feel like this is very end with the youths, and I don't know how I feel about it yet. I'll have to try it on. I'm a little nervous that for just a plain black tank, it's going to be more money than it should be, if that makes sense. And then these must be the performance shorts, and I can already tell they're a little see-through. I'm not thrilled about that. I like the fact that they're a light color though, because we are probably gonna be spending some days out in the sun while we're in Arizona. So I like the light color because they'll be reflective. It'll help to keep me cooler. But at the same time, I don't know. But they are name brand. They're the North Face, which is a money brand as far as athletic wear goes. So I know the quality is probably going to be good. I'm hesitant about spending too much money for shorts that I'm probably, after this trip, only gonna be wearing around the house. And then lastly, let's take a look at this shoe. So it is a sandal. It's flat, there is no heel. Pretty cute. My only concern here is sometimes this heel part will wear on the back of my foot and it'll cause calluses and blisters and not a good thing. So we'll have to see how I can walk in them. Anyways, I'll go try all this on. Okay, so here is the dress. And I did go ahead and wear a racer back bra to play around and show off the fact that this has a keyhole back. I do like this. I know it's a little hard to see with the tags right here. I do like this dress, but I do have some issues with it. One of them I don't think can be really helped. It's because there's a wrinkle right here. So it makes this look more disproportionate, like it throws the proportions off if you look at it from the front. Because normally this part's supposed to sit here or like not be wrinkly and make me look even bustier than I already am. This, I don't know, it's almost like an unflattering busty, if that makes sense. I do like the length. I do like the sleeves here, as you can see. Overall, I like this dress. I just don't really need another red floral print dress. If I wanted to wear a red floral print dress, I already have 2 from Stitch Fix that Holly has sent me. So I don't know if this quite fits the mark. I'll pan down to the shoes because I did pair this with the shoes. So here are these sandals. I'll get a close-up here in a minute. I can tell right now, walking in them, there's already issues. These are gonna have to be sent back. The zipper at the back here is just chafing too much on my heel. Plus, I make a little jingly sound when I walk, so I feel kind of like a dog or a cat that has one of those bells on their collars. I do think the shoes are cute. It's just, yeah, from a practicality standpoint, I've only worn this or these shoes in the very brief walk from the bedroom back to the studio, and my feet are already uncomfortable, so that doesn't bode well for like actually wearing these for an event. And I do understand there's like, there's a price to pay with certain shoes. And you're like, oh, well, you're just gonna be uncomfortable. But I don't think these shoes are cute enough to justify the pain they're giving me right now. There is one feature on the shoes that I like, and that it is you can tighten this strap right here. But otherwise, these are gonna get sent back. But I do like them. I just don't love them enough to deal with the pain that they inflict. Okay, so I know Holly said to pair this top with the shorts, but I think it goes much better with the skirt. So I will wear it in the shorts, or with the shorts in a minute, and I'll go over it when I'm wearing it with the shorts, but I think this looks absolutely lovely with the skirt. So if I keep it, it's gonna be because one, it's the right price, and two, it goes lovely with the skirt. But let's talk about the skirt. So, length is great. I just realized, I'm gonna pin down a little bit. There we go, much better. So anyway, the length is great. It's like one of those skirts that I keep reaching for pockets, but it doesn't have any. Which, like, you know, I can live with it, I'm just not thrilled about it. It's one of those skirts where you do one of these and it's super fun, but also looks super cute when you do it. So, pro tip, I guess, I don't know. It's very light, I love it. I like how it sits up here, but you could also play with this so it sits higher or lower, but personally, this is where it like is most flattering on my body type because it still kind of hides a little bit of the belly, and I'm a little bloated right now. So I do really like that about this skirt. You're not kind of, like, if I wanted to, I could wear it up here, but I don't know why. Well, actually, you know, I don't hate that. So, maybe. But yeah, I felt like it most comfortably fits right around here, but you can wear it higher or lower, so I do like the versatility of this skirt. I love this skirt a lot, and I think it might be a keeper. And I do like this top way more than I thought I would. So this is just kind of a close-up. I have it tucked in because I thought it looked better with the skirt this way. And we'll talk about the top a little bit more when I actually wear it with the shorts that Holly told me to wear it with. Okay, so here's the skirt with the shorts that Holly suggested I pair these with. So I'll go over the shorts first. I honestly don't hate them as much as I thought I would. My big beef with them is the way these pockets are designed. Because of my hips, it does this thing, and it just doesn't look right. I think it'd be different if they like sat normally flat against the hips, but as soon as I walk, they like poke out again. So there's just some fitting issues. I don't actually hate the color. I thought I might hate the color. I do have another issue, is that these shorts are very, very sheer. So you would have to be very strategic about the undergarments you wear with them. Now, let's talk a little bit more about the shirt. Now that it's, I guess, properly exposed, now that it's not constrained by that skirt I was wearing. This bottom hem I love. It reminds me of something I wore as a little kid, like back in the 90s. I love that it's coming back into style. I actually like this shirt way more than I thought I would. And I was a little concerned this ribbing texture that you see here would not be flattering, but it is. So I think overall, this is gonna be a very difficult box to decide what to keep and what not to keep, because it's not as easy of a decision as I thought it was going to be. Let's go look at the invoice. Okay, let's look at this invoice. My hair's a mess. I tried to like make it cute again in between trying stuff on, and it just did not work. So, you know, there it goes. Anyways, so this top that I'm wearing right here, it is $32, which, yeah, it's a little pricey for what it is. It's exactly what I thought it was going to be. The orange skirt was $44. The shorts are $45, which, again, it's a lot for a pair of shorts that just don't fit me well and aren't flattering. The dress is $74, which is a lot of money, especially because I already have a red floral. I have 2 red floral print dresses, so I don't really need a third one. And then the shoes were actually only $50. I'm kind of surprised about that, because normally when you get shoes from Stitch Fix, they are money. So overall, oh, I guess something else I didn't realize about the shoes, they were wide, so that's pretty cool. I didn't even realize that when I was opening everything up, and that is something you can ask for when shoe sizing words in your style profile. Those were the words I was looking for. So if I were to keep everything before discounts, it'd be $245. If you do keep everything, you get a 25% discount. So with the keep 5 discount, it would be $183.75. And then I don't pay for a styling fee because I am on Style Pass, where instead of paying $20 per box for your, it basically pays for your stylist to pick out the clothes for you. I pay $50 a year and I get unlimited boxes. So anyways, let's talk about this. Things I like. I really like this black top. I really like the skirt. Everything else I would probably send back. So if I were to keep the black top and the skirt, that is before tax $76. So still kind of pricey just for a top and a skirt. I'll need to think about whether or not I like them. Normally, maybe not normally, I don't know. I have a Poshmark shop. And what I've been trying to do lately is I've been trying to keep all 5 items, get that discount, and then just sell the items I don't want to keep on my Poshmark shop and pass along the discount to whoever wants to buy them, whether it's you guys or someone else on Poshmark. But with this box, I'm mostly afraid I'm not gonna be able to sell these shorts, honestly. I feel like these shorts are they're not a high value item. They're not like super cute. They're for a very specific, I just don't think they're gonna like sell well. So I don't think anything from this box, unless you guys comment down below and are like, I would buy those shorts. I don't think this is gonna be a keep 5 box. So I'm gonna have to think about it. I'll upload this afternoon and probably give it a couple of days to decide whether or not I'm keeping everything or if I'm sending everything back. And yeah, comment below if you really wanted something in this box. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. The link to my Poshmark shop will be down in the description box below. I know there was one or two, it was a while ago maybe, someone was having issues using the link. It is just SoFlow YT. Editing me will put it right here. That's my Poshmark shop, and it's mostly just old Stitch Fix things or things I didn't like from my Stitch Fix, passing along the savings, but there is some other random things up in there if you guys want to check it out. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this video, please consider doing all of the things that YouTube would like you to do to suggest my video to other people. The algorithm is all-knowing. So, you know, if you want to like my video or subscribe to my channel or commenting, there's a notification bell or something, I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay safe out there, my friends.